Welcome to another interesting tutorial about Google Message. And for every Android user, if you are using Google Message app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see major upgrade about Google Message app. So let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my Google Message app right here. Now, if you open up your Google Message app, let's say for instance, I want to send a message to one of my contacts right here. Like for instance, if I just go ahead and select a contact message right here. Let's say for instance, I go ahead and select this particular contact right here. Now, one of the great upgrades as far as this particular Google Message app is concerned here is that in this new update, it allows you to send emojis to any contacts. For you to do that, click on here. So when you click on here, you see variety types of emojis right here. Just like what you see right here, you can also send GIF. You can as well send sticker. You can also send photo emoji right here. Click on create. Then this allows you to create a personal emoji from photo or from a live recording video or anything as the case may be. You can also click on upload folders right here. This allows you to select picture or video from your folder. This is another incredible upgrade in Google Photo right here. Another Google Message upgrade here allow you to send voice message right here. So if I click on the voice message right here, then you have this mic right here which allow you to use as a voice recording message. Then you can send it to the contact right here, just like when you are sending a voice note in WhatsApp. So this is another incredible upgrade about Google Message app. The next one I want to show you here is this particular section which allow you to send image or video as a message right here. So you can see, so allow to open camera, and I can decide to switch to front camera and capture my face, then send it as a message. And also I can also send either photo or video right here. So if I want to be a video, I switch to video, which allow me to record some seconds of video. I can also record back of the camera or front of the camera by switching to this section right here, or the same way with photo. So if I snap on the photo, it allows me to capture the photo, or better still, you can scroll from your phone album, select any photo you want to send, and then so I can select any type of photo right here and send it the same way as video, just like so. Then the very last new upgrade I want to show you right here, if I click on this plus sign right here, this allows us to see so many options which has to do with select image from gallery or camera or GIF right here, or sticker, or send file, send location, send contact, and schedule send, which allow you to send message to any contact based on a particular time of your choice as the case may be. So lastly, if I go back to the home page right here, we can now use Google Gemini AI in Google Message app right here. So if I click on it, it's open up Google Gemini AI. Here I can start to chat with Google Gemini AI. Word of the day: summarize my latest email, tips for pronunciation, tell me a joke, superhero, pixel art, etc. So we can click on here now and start our new message. We can say, how is weather right now? And then once we type, then we can easily send, and Google Gemini AI will start telling us the current weather now right from our Google Message app right here. So you can see detail right here. I'm sorry, I don't know your current location, so I can't give you the exact weather right now. To get most current accurate location, so we have to make sure we do some certain settings. However, we can ask any type of question right here in our Google Message. We can go ahead and say, can you please tell me details about Google Translate, and send. Then in a few seconds, you can see Google Gemini AI is trying to give us detail about Google Translate right here. Everything here is done in Google Message app right here. You can see in a few seconds, we have a lot of messages right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Message app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.